Magic Shelf dishwasher. First observation, water breaching from interior of dishwasher. Discovered that the seal gasket for the pump assembly reservoir is leaking water. Unfortunately, when that occurs, it's not an individual part that you can purchase for this design. This is about a 15-year-old to 25-year-old dishwasher design. And unfortunately, of course, these parts become unavailable. Does not necessarily mean that you can't search it online, but you would most likely have to buy the entire sump assembly. Now, they don't sell these parts for such a problem as that. Like they used to 15 years ago, individual washers or individual seal gasket washers. And so unfortunately this part is no longer available and is not available in parts itemization. You have to buy the entire assembly. So going online, if you can't get it through our direct distributor, online would be the next best option, not necessarily the safest option, because then you're looking at a manufacturer's warranty guarantee if the part comes damaged in shipping. And so that's the only issue with having to order parts online when you can't go through a major distributor. And so this is a water breach, 15 less, more than 15, less than 25 would be considered a high liability risk, homeowner's liability claim for water damage or flood if not done properly and if not done professionally. And the repair will probably run you right at what a used or even a new design stainless steel interior, exterior and interior. This is an economy design because of the plastic fabrication interior. And so the more common ones, of course, is the stainless steel or aluminum treated. And you can buy those for $400. And so unfortunately, the older designs are more durable because of mechanical componentries and hard relays, not electronic or semiconductor relays. And so that's what makes this design desirable when they came out. And so they last 25 years because of the motor actuator, mechanical connections, and the rubber material in which they make their gasket seals are more durable than the rubber gaskets that are making gasket seals current for water breaches. And so unfortunately this would have to be replaced due to parts availability and the age.
Thank you for calling. May be recorded for quality purposes.
I have a Maytag dishwasher, a Magic Shelf dishwasher, model number when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Delta Umbrella 6550 Papa. I need to get a part dishwasher, a Magic Shelf dishwasher, model number when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Delta Umbrella 6550 Papa. I need to get a part number, retail price, location for the drain motor sump assembly.
Ooh, that's an old one. Let's see if we can get it. Older. Drain pump assembly. No longer available. Okay, with
You can't get it. It's not. There's no. Right now, it's not giving me assembly. It's giving me individual parts, but a lot of those parts are discontinued.
Okay. All right. Well, I do thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you.
All right. Bye
Thank
now.
you for
Bye.
calling